Hey guys, welcome to this review. Today, in honor of St. Patrick's Day, we're going to be reviewing one of Dairy Queen Blizzard's Blizzards of the Month. Sorry to fix my hair there. And it is called the Mint Brownie Blizzard. Stay tuned. Now I said one of the two brownie flavors of the month. The other one, so one brownie flavors of the month. I meant Blizzard. I meant Blizzard flavors of the month. So one is the Mint Brownie Blizzard. The other is the Mint Oreo Blizzard. Mint Oreo is one of the classics, one of my favorites. But I wanted to try this Mint Brownie Blizzard one. I'm not sure if it's new, but I've never tried it. So I'll give it a shot here. So it's a little melty because it's like warm today, but it matters how it tastes, right? Nice big huge brownie pieces. I don't know if you guys can see there. I have a friend. Zeus's hair begging. Because that's what the brownie pieces look like. Well, so far it's got a nice light mint taste. It's not too overpowering. I love mint. It's my favorite ice cream. Oh, look at that. You can really see the brownie pieces there. So it's got chocolate pieces, just brownie. Not just straight brownie pieces are nice and chocolatey, not too sicky sweet or anything. Everything is just blending in really well together. So I think you guys know what I'm going to say, but nice mint flavor. It's not overpowering. There's not too much mint. It blends in well with the brownie pieces and the chocolate flake pieces. Really nice Blizzard. Not too really sweet or anything like that. Definitely perfect for St. Patty's Day. Definitely a thumbs up, a pass. I suggest you guys try it. I know it's one of the Blizzard of the Month flavors in Canada. I'm not sure about the US, but just check on the website in the US there. See what their brownie flavor. Why do I keep doing that? Blizzard flavor of the month is. Let me know in the comments, guys, if you have a favorite Blizzard from Dairy Queen, if you would try this or not. Just let me know. Thank you guys again so much for watching, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit that bell. Bye, everybody.